Fashion Week 2011 has not lost any steam, and WFIT has kept right on with it. We're here at the library at Lincoln Center for Rachel Roy's Spring 2011 collection. Take a look. What's up, guys? I'm here with Rachel Roy herself at her Spring 2011 presentation. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for coming.
No problem. Now, tell us the most important question. What is the story behind this collection?
The story behind Spring 2011 for me was twofold. I have a trench coat capsule that I am showcasing, and I'm calling it Band-Aid. And the thought behind that is that we all have different shades, and when you wear a Band-Aid, it's supposed to sink into the skin and disappear. And that's my philosophy on clothing. While I love beautiful clothing, well-made clothing, I want to wear it, and I don't want the clothing to wear me. And I also feel that trench coats are classics and last a long time in my wardrobe. And so what I wanted to do was showcase different nudes, different Band-Aids, I'm calling them, one that works for your skin color, one that works for my skin color, and just kind of really show how you can wear a trench coat as a dress, you can wear it for travel. I have one that's made kind of out of heavy jersey, I have one that you can wear to a wedding, I have one that's made out of leather, and then my ready-to-wear focused on modern elegance and ease. And I like the idea of being able to get dressed quickly in pieces that work twofold. You know, they pull you together, but they're effortless, but with a twist, because I never like looking like anyone else in the room, and I don't like my customers to either.
Okay, and you've also said in previous interviews that you're inspired by strong, creative women. So who are some of those women, and how do you convey that through in your garments?
Great question. So this morning I found out that Michelle Obama wore one of my pre-fall pieces at a, thank you, I appreciate that, to a speech that she gave yesterday. So definitely the First Lady, Oprah, Anna Wintour, women that are focused and inspiring in business, and then women that do great things, Mother Teresa, and people that dedicate their lives to others.
But also on your website you say, if you can say one thing to the world, what would it be? So if you could say one thing to the world, what would it be?
That is such a good question, and at 9 in the morning I'm not prepared for that because I want to give you guys something good. But I would say that ultimately the most important thing in life is not what you've done, it's not what you own, it's not what you wear, it's how you treat other people. And just from that kind of intent, I think comes good. How you treat other people is what you'll be known for truly.
So Rachel, if you could say one more thing to the world, what would it be?
I'm Rachel Roy, and you're watching WFIT TV.
Hey guys, we're here at the Rachel Roy presentation. I just ran into actress Tiffany Amber Thiessen. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm well. So how is your fashion week going? What stands out in your mind so far?
It's literally, this is my first show, and it was actually one of the special ones that I wanted to come to. I absolutely love Rachel, and I love what she does, and I've been wearing her for years on different shows and stuff, so I'm excited to be here. You know, it fits a woman's body like myself. I just had a baby, so she's got a woman's body, and she knows how to really, you know, accentuate the special areas of a woman's body. So, yeah.
Well, thank you for talking with us, and enjoy the rest of your week.
Thank you, you too.
All right, FIT, so we have some reoccurring trends here at Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week 2011. I'm Kristen Dudek for WFIT, and Fashion Week is not over yet, so keep watching WFIT for all your fashion coverage.